Hey, this is Raul with Team Top Deck. We got two more packs. Let's see what we can get. Dimension of Chaos, of course. Always the newest set. Always the best. So, what I'm hoping to pull is maybe Tank Destroyer. I guess. I mean, that's really all that I'm looking for. There's not really anything else I'm looking for per se. All right. So we got ourselves a Crow, a couple Gradle cards. That's cool. That's cool. Our rare is Toon Barrel Dragon, and that's it. Okay. We got a Cosmo card. That's pretty cool. Next pack. Come on. A little difficulties here. Alright. Tempest, Wings. Our rare is Performer Pal, something, Donkey. And our super is Evening Twilight Night.